Hi. Well, as the more eagle-eyed of you are going to notice is that we're now going to transition from having a rolling frame and on to me painting the backside of a completed chassis. And you'd be excused if you thought that was due to some catastrophic failure of a memory card or even a major screw-up in editing. But the reality is, it was a nice day. The kids were playing around and I thought I'd cut a plate or two just to get ahead. And before I knew it, it was evening. I've completed the chassis, and then it dawned on me. I hadn't filmed any of it. So yeah, that happened. So basically what is left for you to see is me mounting some hardware and accessorizing. Pimping the ride, basically. So enjoy. No, I will. Oh yeah! It's a bit tight though. Then again, it's built for 2 toddlers, not a 40-year-old with bad knees. Then again, could have been worse. Could have been a 50-year-old with bad knees. So I guess you'll take what you can get. Oh yeah. Ooh, rock on. Let's go deliver some ice cream.